Here they've logged behind on Flathead Forest West. A few trees, riparian or something, around the pond, but you can see the wind's taking them all out. So even though they left a few trees, I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trees that's blown down because the wind whistling through here now, taking the rest of them out. That didn't work for it very well. West of Whitefish. It's logging lovely. Good place for elk, huh? In the summertime, if it doesn't dry up. A tree blew over lately. Jump in. Yeah, another pothole, water hole. They logged right up to the edge of it. What didn't, they left. Trees have been blown over. Anyway, lovely. Bordering Flathead Forest Service, far east side of Pothole.